Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, before I discuss the exchange of the content of this video, let me first introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Nurul Qalbi. My student ID number 2020-321-022. Studi program Architectural Engineering at Fajar University. So, in this video, I will explain about a very famous typical building in my area, namely in Wajo Regency, more precisely in Sengkang City. Question number 1. What are the typical building names that are famous in your area? Well, the name of the building in my area is better known as Traditional House Soraja Letenri Bali, or more commonly known as the Atakai Traditional House. And the name of the building also has its own meaning, where the meaning of the name Soraja Letenri Bali, which come from the Bugis language, namely Soraja, can be interpreted as the king's palace, while Letenri Bali is one of the names of the king who owned that Wajo kingdom, and local people know him as Arung Matoa, which come from the Bugis language, which means a kingdom leader. Question number 2. Where is the location of your typical local building? Also, the location of the Soraja Letenri Bali traditional house, namely the Atakai traditional house, is located in Atakai village, Tempe district, Wajo Regency, to be precise in Sengkang City. That is also why this traditional house among local people often call it the Atakai traditional house, because it follows from the location of the typical old building. Question number 3. What makes your local building unique and famous? Well, why is the traditional house said to be unique and famous? From this question, there are several important points that can represent the answer to this question. So that is why the traditional house Soraja Letenri Bali, namely the Atakai traditional house, is said to be unique and famous, especially in Wajo Regency. Okay, first point. Well, this traditional house Soraja Letenri Bali is indeed unique because when we look at it from an architectural point of view, it has a very impressive architectural value. Why is that? Because with its shape in the form of a house on steel that characterizes the traditional house of the Bugis tribe of South Sulawesi in general. But what makes it different is its enormous size. Also, the design concept symbolizes how magnificent the Wajo people are. Second point, as well, the inherent uniqueness of this traditional house is the structure of the pole shape, because in general the number of pillars of the steel house of ordinary citizen only ranks from 12 to 20. Meanwhile, the poles of the traditional house have 100 and on poles, which is why this traditional house is also often said to be Bola Seratue, which is interpreted from the Bugis language, and the weight of the poles is fantastic, which reaches 2 tons on each pole, and the unique side that is displayed from the pole structure is round, of course, very different from the Bugis steel house in general, which are rectangular. That is why it is very difficult to bring our hands together when hugging the pole. 3 point. So, in terms of concept, why is this traditional house Soraja Letenri Bali famous in the Wajo Regency area? Because this traditional house is often as a center for cultural attraction in Wajo Regency, and almost every year it is always enlivened with various kinds of cultural activities. namely a kind of holding such as local and national campground and cultural exhibitions. Every Independence Day celebration have become an annual reference.
Question number 4. Why did you choose this traditional house as a typical building, especially in the Wajo Regency area? My reason is because from the explanation of how many questions above have become my reference for choosing the traditional house Sauraja Latendri Bali as a typical building in the Wajo Regency area, seeing it from the point of view of its architectural value as well as the uniqueness emitted from the traditional house, as well as when we examine the building typical especially in Wajo Regency. This traditional house has indeed become an iconic tourist destination. Even the location around this traditional house also stand typical traditional house in each sub-district. In Wajo district, the structure is similar to the design of the traditional house, only smaller in size, and displays the uniqueness of each district. And indeed, this traditional house is often asked lodging facilities for tourists visiting this traditional housing.
Well, for more details, here's a short video showing the atmosphere around the traditional house Sauraja Latendri Bali.
Tanah ogi wanu